Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our classes online. I love English. Today we are going to answer Grade 7 Bridge to Success Workbook Activity. We are going to complete our classes on Unit 6 using maps, Workbook Activities, Lesson 3, Favorite Places. If you are ready, let's begin. Now let's start by having a look at our key vocabulary for today. You can look up any word in your English dictionary. Without a doubt, without a doubt, without a doubt, absolutely, absolutely, to browse, no question, no question, for sure, playground, shade, gym, fitness, gym or fitness, mad or mad about, definitely. These expressions we are going to focus on in our class today. And I would like to mention this, mad and mad about. This doesn't mean you are mad. It's not the negative meaning of mad. We use these expressions to show you like something very much. When I say he's sports mad, means he loves sports very, very much. Another example is, I was mad about cars when I was younger, which means I was very, very interested in cars and loved cars very much when I was young. We are going to use the expression mad about to express our love about something. Now, our first activity for today in Lesson 3, Favorite Places, we are going to match the two parts of this sentence. 1. Browsing in shops is without a. This is one of the expressions I have just mentioned. Without a doubt. Yes. Without a doubt, my favorite activity. 2. Am mad about fitness. Another expression I have just mentioned, mad about fitness. If you love to be fit very, very much, so the gym is definitely the place I go most of. 3. The restaurants here are absolutely. I am talking in this sentence about the restaurants, so I have to find a related word to restaurants. The restaurants here are absolutely wonderful. Why? The food is delicious. I have connected the word restaurants with the word food. 4. If you like learning about, now I have to complete this sentence with something that I would like to learn about. If you like learning about the past, you will love the museum for sure. Yes, if you would like to learn about anything about the past, then the museums are the best places for you. 5. For the best views, there is no. Here another expressions we have just mentioned. There is no question. Go up to the top of a skyscraper. Here I have connected the the best views with the word skyscraper, because if you would like the best views, there is no question that you have to go up to the top of any skyscraper. 6. I just love films. Again, we are going to find a related word to films. I just love films. So obviously the cinema. Look here, the cinema is connected to films. Obviously the cinema is my favorite place. 7. When it's hot, my favorite place is. Yes, here I will find a connected word to hot. How can I connect hot to shade? Yes, when it's hot, sunny, I would like to find a place with shade. So my favorite place is anywhere with shade. The last one, 8. For many young children, what do many young children love? What's their favorite place? I'm sure their favorite place is the playground. So the last one, the favorite place for any children is the playground. Now we have finished activity 1 in our lesson 3, favorite places, and we are going to move on to activity 2. Now let's have a look at activity 2. Unscramble these questions. Here we have 6 questions, but unfortunately the words of each question is not in the correct order. So we have to unscramble the words of these questions. The first one, what's place favorite yours? Here I have to remind you that in all the questions we always have to start with the question word, then the auxiliary verb. Here the question word is what and the auxiliary is what's. Then we have to complete the question. What's your favorite place? As you notice here, we start with what's your favorite place. 2. You first there when go did. Again, we have to start with the question word when, then the auxiliary verb did, then the subject you, and the main verb go. Our question will be, when did you first go there? About the word first, I would like to mention this. We can use first in the middle between the subject and the main verb go, and also we can use it at the end of the question. So we can say, when did you first go there? Or when did you go there first? Both are right. Both of them are right. 3. There, do, you, can, what? Here again we have to start with the question word what. But what about the auxiliary verb? Is it can or do? Yes. Here do is an auxiliary of can, or can is an auxiliary of the verb do? Yes. Here do is the main verb and its auxiliary is can. So the question will be, what can you do there? Because I'm asking about the things that you can do in this place. 4. With, go, who, you, there, do. Again, start with the question word who, and of course you will know the question word by mentioning the first letter of it is capital. Who. What about the auxiliary verb here? With, no, go, you, there. Do. Yes, the auxiliary verb is do, and I am asking you, so you is the subject and the main verb is go. Our question is, who do you go there with? 5. Last, when, was, their, time, you, the when. Here the question word is when and the main verb is was. When was. When was the last time you went there? 6. And the last question. Do, how, get there, you. How is the question word and do is the auxiliary verb, and I am asking you, and our main verb is get. The question is, how do you get there? Now we have finished activity 2, unscramble these questions. Now we are going here to focus on the expressions we have just learned, to use them in our writing about favorite places. Then you are going to write about your favorite place using the expressions that we have mentioned. Here are some writings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 writing examples about different places of different people, and we are going to focus on the expressions that we are going to use. The first expression is, I absolutely love. Here I wouldn't say I like shopping, I'd say I absolutely love it. This is the first expression, absolutely love any place or any activity you would like to talk about. My favorite place is without a doubt. Without a doubt. This is the second expression we are going to focus on, without a doubt. The shopping mall. Any shopping mall. I like browsing, even if I don't actually buy anything. Some malls are so big you can easily get lost, but I really don't mind. Here, in spite of being lost in the big malls, but this person used this expression, I really don't mind, to show that even there is a negative point in his place, he doesn't mind. The second example about the park. The park. What expressions is used here? My favorite place is the park, for sure. For sure. And don't forget to use the comma before the expression for sure, and then end your sentence. It's a good place to relax outside. What can you do in the park? There is lots of shade, and my younger brothers and sisters really love the playground there. Two sentences about the things that you can do there in the park, and the expressions really love, which is one also of the expressions you are going to use in your writing. Of course, when it's too hot, we don't go. See, here the paragraph is about the cinema. Let's read about the cinema. I want to be a filmmaker later on. I really like. Look here, I really like films. So I spent a lot of my free time in the cinema. I'd say I definitely go. Definitely go. I have to focus on it. At least twice a week, and often more. Our first expression in the last paragraph is mad. I am fitness mad. I am fitness mad is one of the new expressions we have learned today. I absolutely love all sports. Also, I absolutely, except golf. I can't imagine a day without a visit. I can't imagine a day without a visit to the gym. It's definitely my favorite place. Definitely my favorite place, no question. Again, don't forget the comma before the expression no question, and then end your sentence. Like for sure, comma, for sure, full stop, comma, no question, and full stop. Now it's your turn to write a very short paragraph about your favorite place. Here, before writing, I advise you to try to write a draft first and to focus on the main points you are going to write about. And of course, you have to think of your answers to the questions in activity 2 we have just finished, and then you write your short paragraph about your favorite place. And please don't forget to use the expressions we have learned. Why? To make your writing interesting by giving details, examples. Then the reader can see how much you like the place. We are going to use I definitely like this place, I absolutely love the place, and understand the reasons why you like it. You have to mention 3 or 4 reasons why you like the place that you have written about. Thank you so much. We have finished our class for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and please try to finish all the activities in your workbook about lesson 3, favorite place. We are going to meet soon to complete our classes. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.